we get information from everywhere. Like, we are bombarded with information from every direction. I think one of the most important things that we can teach our kids is how to dissect and break apart that information and kind of discover where the information originated from. Because we're going to get opinions from all different directions. And I think one of the most important things is to figure out whose opinion it is before we decide if it's our opinion. So when we're working with our kids, reading articles, watching documentaries, doing all of those things, I like to dissect the viewpoints and determine who or what party or type of person or industry is backing the information that's being put out there, right? So is it being funded by a company? Is it being funded by a government or a party in a government? I think that helps us understand whose viewpoint it is. And that way, if we know whose viewpoint it is, we can decide whether it's going to be relevant to us and what we care about in our life. So a quick way to do that is, before you read the article, or even while you're reading it, sometimes it clicks and you're like, who wrote this article? Read the article, watch the video, determine who funded the article or video, and who benefits from having this information out to the public, right? And once you know, then you can decide whether or not you want that belief or opinion for yourself. That's really it. Just helping our kids understand that information comes from all different people, from all different parties and viewpoints. And as long as they can recognize that before they get started, they won't take everything that they read and see as reality, right? Because that's what we want them to do. We want them to make their own decisions, be their own people, and have their own opinions. All right, guys, happy homeschooling.